Wow, the big truck hauling steel coils has already flipped over. The steel coils keep rolling forward constantly. This destructive power is too great. Alright, let's take a look. It turns out the road inside has been destroyed. It has been set up as a crash simulator scene. One side uses cement pipes to make a small bridge. The other side uses speed bumps. Let's see how the small car B chooses. Does it choose to go over the small bridge? Or does it choose to go over the speed bumps? Let's see which side has a higher success rate. It brought a blue sedan. It chooses to go over the speed bumps. The speed bumps are constantly challenged. Apparently successful. The speed bumps can be passed. Here comes another SUV. It's also towing a sofa behind it. It chose to go over the small bridge and passed easily. It seems that as long as the driving skills are good, then both sides can pass smoothly. Here comes another tanker truck. Let's see its choice. Speed bumps, oh no. The car is stuck here. Maybe the speed was too fast. Again. Here comes another green SUV. Go forward. Ahead is a concrete pipe. A business car came through. It has a low chassis. Well, it should be better to choose the small bridge. He chose the small bridge, but the speed is too fast. The car has deviated. It seems to be completely destroyed. Next, a small pickup truck. The small pickup truck's passability is still very good. In previous videos, it had no problem at all. This time, it also chose the small bridge. It passed with ease. Another cement mixer truck is here. Where will it choose? It chose the speed bumps. First, slow down. Then it passes smoothly. It seems the driving experience is very sufficient. Across from it, there's another SUV. Let's see. What will it choose? It seems to have chosen the small bridge. It's starting to slow down. The car is stuck here. Maybe it slowed down too early. The car on the other side chose the speed bumps. As a result, the car was destroyed. Another car's coming. If they choose the small bridge, they'll need to push the car ahead. Okay, the car in front passed. The driver has also gone onto the small bridge. Both cars should be able to pass smoothly, right? It doesn't seem that simple. Here comes a double-decker bus. Story. Which side will the double-decker choose? Oh well. The small bridge, I guess. Unfortunately, it still veers off. The small car tipped over. The dummies on top spilled all over the place. Wow, my dummies. That's such a pity. Motorcycle, wow. Let's see if it can succeed. Speed bumps. Oh no. If it were the small bridge, there's still a chance. Failed selection. Safe driving is the most important.